History does not move randomly. It follows a repeatable structure, much like a living system with its own design. This is what we call the DNA of history. In simple terms, history develops through recurring stages. The same pattern appears again and again, but under different conditions. When we recognize this pattern, we begin to see not just what has happened, but how events are likely to unfold. Our world can be divided into two periods, the ancient world and the modern world. In the ancient period, human development was guided through revelation. In the modern period, the same development continues through the human will itself. History moves in cycles of 7 stages. The ancient cycle was a period of training. The modern cycle is a period of application. The pattern remains the same, but the responsibility shifts. What was once guided directly is now carried forward by human beings themselves. There is one important point to understand. The end of one cycle and the beginning of another do not always form a clean break. They can overlap. The same events may belong to both cycles, but with different meanings. The first 2 stages of every cycle are internal and preparatory. In the ancient cycle, these took place in prehistory. In the modern cycle, they appear within the closing phase of the ancient world. In one sense, the ancient cycle reaches completion with the ascension, mirage of the prophet, around 619 AD. This marks the moment when the full pattern of reality is witnessed, and the stage is set for a new phase of human action. From the perspective of the modern cycle, this same moment marks a beginning. The return from the ascension opens the first stage of a new era. From the perspective of the ancient cycle, however, the final stage continues until 750 AD. In the period from 619 to 680, the older world order was dismantled by the Arabs. From 680 to 750, the remaining elements of that world reappeared within the Arab society itself, epitomized in the tragedy of Karbala, leading to an internal correction and a complete transition. Seen in this way, the same period serves 2 roles. It completes one cycle and prepares the next. This overlap is a normal feature of how history develops. If you like this content, don't forget to share and subscribe the channel.